Are you finding it difficult to crack your IELTS, PTE or OET for that matter? Worry no more, because Santamonica Academy, in association with Malayala Manorama, is conducting a free workshop on 20th and 21st of February, Saturday and Sunday, which will be led by CELTA, TESOL and Knowledge-Based OET certified trainers, where they will be discussing on topics like how to attend the exams, mistakes to avoid while attending the exams, effective reading and speaking strategies, last-minute exam preparations, and last but not the least, an additional session on Speak English. So for free registrations, please visit our website www.santamonicaedu.in or academy.santamonicaedu.in. For further clarifications, you may call us on the number given below. See you all there. Thank you.